Hey doing guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you few Etoro alternatives. Now, I'm not paid by any of the companies and I don't have any affiliate cooperations with the companies that I'm going to show you in this video. You won't find any links down below in the description. This is just my perspective. Now, before we start, what I ask you to do is write me down below in the comments, what are you looking for? Because it's different if you want to only buy stocks or you want to buy also crypto. It's different if you want to invest into ETFs or just stocks. And also it's completely different brokers if you want to do day trading, long-term holding, or let's say swing trading or whatever. So it's really hard for me to, there are many alternatives, but it really depends what do you actually looking for. And based on that, you need to choose a broker. I will try to really not the right word is brought it up, but talk about every single one of them and show you what you should do and what you should choose. So I hope this video will give you value. Now, without further ado, let's start. So Etoro is right here. Etoro, in my opinion, is not that great with a high spread fees also for stocks and also for also for crypto. Now, what is really great and what you can do instead of Etoro, Bitpanda is the first one. This is a new player on the market and really interesting player on the market. Bitpanda is mainly focusing on crypto. So if you want to invest into crypto, you can. But what they have are stocks. But they don't really have many stocks at this point. So what you can do is actually invest into Bitpanda to stocks and crypto. And this is an ETFs. You can do it. Bitpanda got a good customer service. I really like it. And also that's the first thing. The second thing is that the fees are not that high. And in that regard, I really like Bitpanda because it's a small player. It's not a big player like Etoro. You can actually get answer from customer service. In that regard, Bitpanda is top notch. So test Bitpanda first. The Giro is the second one. The Giro is the hero, or how should I call it? My friend told me that I should call it the hero. So I'm going to call it the hero. The hero is a Dutch online discount broker, and they have yes, they don't really have stocks for free. You're gonna pay fees, but those fees are really low. What I really like is that you see it right here, US stocks 0.04 per share plus 0.5. I think that's per trade. So that's good. That's pretty not really expensive, and it's really great because they don't have those spread fees as Etoro has. Now, what I really like about the hero is that they are really safe. So if you're gonna choose the hero, you know that you are investing in really safe and really good broker, which has been for a long time with the good support. Now, the one thing about the hero is that they are not in every single country, and if you're from the US, you won't be able to use it. But if you're from the France, Deutschland, Netherlands, Austria, Finland, you can easily use it. So the hero is a good way how you can actually invest money. Now, that's the second one that I want to show you. The third one is Trading 212. Trading 212 got account opening suspended at Trading 212 for new clients since February 2021, only because they had plenty of clients. But maybe when you're watching this video, you will be able to invest through Trading 212. I use personally Trading 212. I buy ETFs and stocks, and one thing about Trading 212 that I like is that you can actually create your own buys and you can copy them. That's really similar comparing to the Etoro. So on Etoro, what you can do is to copy people and copy their portfolios, and that's something you can actually do with Trading 212, but you're not going to copy their trades, you are going to copy their stock portfolios. So let's say, I can't really show it to you because I have it on my account and you can easily dox me when I show it to my account. So how does it work is that let's say that I would have only stocks about crypto, let's say Coinbase or something like this. And then I would have a pie about all the crypto stocks that are on the market right now. And then what I can do is just invest into those, and I don't have to choose every single broker. Now, what they have, Trading 212, is that they have fees. They had free, but right now I think they have some kind of fee that they could take transaction or something like that for conversion fee or something like that they have. So Trading 212 is a good player that you can also open account, but it's suspended right now. until February, like from the February 2021. So we will see how it goes, but that's something that I use. Support, even when I wrote them in Sunday, they replied to me immediately, like it was like 2 hours and I got a reply back. So trading 212, top notch with the Hero and also with Bitpanda. The fourth one that I prepared is a Tradestation Global. Tradestation Global is a really good player that you can use. And Tradestation Global is a combined product offered by interactive brokers and Tradestation offered for clients outside Europe. So Tradestation and Tradestation Global, these are really good platforms that you can use for actually investing. Now they are safe. Again, they don't have the free stocks ETF as Trading 212 has. And as you can see, it's like pretty much more expensive on Tradestation Global comparing to the Hero. But again, good broker that you can use for investing into stocks. Now the next one I prepared for you, if you're from the US, Robinhood, like there is no talk about it, free stocks, free options that you can not, I don't really think they have free options. I need to double check it right now. So no. Yes, options are completely for free. So Robinhood, it looks like video game, plenty of people are using. They are really not satisfied with the customer support and with the way how Robinhood is handling the investing portfolios, etc. What do I mean by that? Is that sometimes they will block a way that you can actually buy a stock. So they're like, what? You know, what? So personally, I wouldn't choose Robinhood because of ethics and what they actually do. And I don't really like the CEO and the creators of Robinhood because they're like, little bit, I don't want to say scummy, but you know what I mean, is that I'm just not okay how they treat everything. So Robinhood is okay. And the next one is Revolut. Revolut is, I implemented Revolut into this, my like alternatives, only because you can buy free stocks for free per month. I use it as, because I have on Revolut my account, sometimes money comes there, and what I do is I just like buy stocks for just like nothing. And you can use it. They don't have many markets and products. You can buy stocks and crypto. Don't buy crypto on Revolut only because you won't be able to withdraw it. Stocks are fine, but again, they have fees. If you're going to use more than 3 times, you're going to buy stock, you're going to pay like €1 fee or something like that, which is damn expensive if you compare it to the Hero or Tradestation Global or Trading 212. Even comparing to Etoro, Revolut is the most expensive one, and I don't recommend using it at all. Just like for your information that something like this exists. Now, so yeah, so if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. My recommendation, check out Bitpanda, check out the Hero, and check out Trading 212 and Tradestation Global and Robinhood if you're from the US. These 5 are the best ones, in my opinion, to actually invest into crypto, not crypto and stocks. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you can have any questions, write me down in the comments. I'm happy to help you, happy to give you some guidelines. You know how it goes, you know how it is. And yeah, see ya.